Renee, say hi. It's to AJ.
Hi, Renee.
Good morning, you guys. It is currently like what, 7:38 right now. I'm never up this early. Tell I'm not in my house. I don't know if you can tell because, you know, this does not look like my house. For those of you who don't know, my grandmother recently passed away. And it's pretty hard on me. It's pretty hard on me. And it was a certain way that I found out about it. But I'm not going to get into that because this isn't a video for that. I will make a tribute video to my grandmother and everything. I came on here. Ooh. Oh, I went black. I attempt to like vlog today because I'm going to the beach. I don't really think I have enough, you know, I don't think I have like a good life like that. You feel me?
You tell us finer now. Damn, you tell us
Hey. Okay, so in this part, Emil was taking forever to get ready to come down to the car so we can go to the beach already. But, you know, knowing Emil, he loves being fashionably late for no reason.
That's not
Maybe taking forever.
Some niggas make millions, other niggas make means. Bad bitches out here, you know what I mean. Hating ass bitches. No, I'm just kidding. Can somebody take a Lenny drink? Cause my fucking arm hurt. I got snacks for y'all bitches.
Give Kaylani what? Oh.
I just wanted to switch arms. My fucking arm hurt.
Are you complaining, Emil?
I'm gonna be complaining this whole motherfucking day. I'm a Gemini, that's what we do. We complain, but then we also be like, stay positive because we're not about the negative shit.
I mean, I don't think anybody really asked about what your zodiac sign was.
No, I'm totally kidding. I'm not complaining, but at the same time, I'm complaining. See how two-faced?
Let me second my fat real quick. Hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I'm rocking you guys.
I can't zoom in.
Ready? Wait, do you want to?
My camera's like kind of dirty
Now,
right now.
bitch, look at this camera. Thank you.
There we go.
Take a picture!
I did.
Yeah, that was supposed. It was supposed. I was not really actually taking this selfie. Okay, now we have to do one at least smiling. Oh wait.
What are those?
Aw, don't get my feet.
I didn't get your feet.
Okay, because I was like, I know what they are, and they ashes.
I got your sandals.
Aw, man.
That's why I said, what are those?
And like,
say hi to the camera, Monet.
But I don't know why
Oh,
it's
you
not
just
funny.
got that?
No?
Yeah.
You're not gonna say hi? You ain't gonna say nothing?
Oh, hi.
You know what? I don't know what the picture's gonna be. That was I didn't do that time. What's going on?
See you guys later.